Hello guys, welcome to Co Academy, and in this video we'll be talking about as to what is accounting. So remember that an entity, that is a business, if you are running a business, then the business undertakes various transactions. For example, if you see here, it's a factory. Now the factory produces goods, and in order to produce goods, it has to purchase raw materials, it has to hire workers. So all these things, these are transactions. To be more precise, these are business transactions, because that particular entity is entering into different transactions to buy the materials, to pay wages to the workers, and to distribute the finished product to the customers. So, what accounting is, that it is a system providing information about business transactions. So, accounting is the process which records all these business transactions of the entity. Like wages is an expense, it is recorded in the accounting process. Raw materials, it's an expense, it is recorded in the accounting process. Similarly, if you sell the goods, it's a revenue, so it's also recorded. Now, what accounting does is that after recording these transactions, it analyzes them and it converts them into meaningful information on the basis of which you can take decisions. Now, the information is used by the users of accounting, and those are, as you can see at the bottom, the users of accounting information based on which decisions and judgments are made. Now, there are various users of accounting information. These are grouped into internal users and external users. Internal users could be employees and management, for example. Now, management wants to see if the organization is performing well or not. If the organization is performing well, then managers might get rewards, they get bonuses, and they tend to know as a result of accounting and financial statements that which are the areas in which they can improve. Whereas the external users of accounting information are are various entities like banks, for example. If a bank wants to lend the business money, it will check the financial statements of the business. They will check if the financial statements are healthy, and the business has the capacity to pay back the loan and the interest thereon. Similarly, tax agencies of a country, the tax agencies, they analyze the financial information of the entity in order to make sure that the entity is not suppressing its income and they are paying the due taxes. Same is the case with shareholders. They are also external users of financial information. They want to make sure, by analyzing the financial statements, that their investment is worth it. The company is making money, and if the company is making money, the shareholders will get dividends in the future, and the share prices will increase, which will benefit the shareholders. So I hope this made things clear as to what accounting is, what is the accounting process, and what are the end users of the accounting information. Accounting information is prepared as a result of the accounting process. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.